Oh, you know it's cold when the snow crunches when you step on it. Much like you're doing now. Okay, well, it is about 9 degrees, 10 degrees, and it is also 10 minutes after 6. And of course I'm leaving for work here in a few minutes. So we're gonna start the truck. I smell a bit of antifreeze. That's it, what that's all about. Well, anyway. So I'll find the key once again. New blower motor works good. I dread starting engines up when it's this cold. It's hard on them. All right, here we go. And oil pressure seems to be building. That Energizer battery seems to be doing its job. Switch it over to defrost here and turn the heat up. And turn the stereo on. Well, so far so good anyway. Okay, I'm going back in now. Thanks for watching.